This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito with roti only way. Begin by warming a roti until pliable, then place a modest scoop of seasoned rice and beans in the center. Add a thin layer of cooked protein, cheese, and a bright salsa or chutney. Fold the sides, roll tightly, and press seam side down in a hot skillet until golden. Let it rest briefly, slice, and serve warm. Pick fillings that complement the soft roti and hold together while eating. Start with a well-seasoned protein or roasted vegetables, then add rice and beans for structure and moisture absorption. Sprinkle cheese for melting appeal and a tangy salsa or chutney for contrast. Keep fillings centered and modest to make rolling easier. Finish with a squeeze of lime and fresh herbs for brightness before folding and toasting briefly. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple, tasty ideas. Quick recommendation: the socks you see here are actually awesome. Socks life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, and they make standing at the stove way more comfortable. I put the link and deals in the description so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble on a clean surface with warm roti for best pliability and sealing. Place fillings slightly off-center, fold the near edge over, then fold both sides inward before rolling tightly away from you. Press seam side down in a preheated skillet to seal and create a golden crust, flipping once for even color. Let the burrito rest for a minute to set the shape, then slice and enjoy with chutney or hot sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.